Yo! What's up, everybody? It's Superfly Fat Guy 859 coming at you with an unboxing. I had been chosen by Krista Blade to be her first recipient of something awesome for supporting her. And I didn't know it was coming or anything, and that was awesome. So thank you very much, Krista. I appreciate it. She also didn't say where it was coming from or what it was, so it's kind of a surprise. But now that I've gotten it, I know what it is. So let's get into it so you can see what it is. Ta-da! Rusty's Rags Pistol Care Kit. And actually, I'm actually really glad that he sent the Pistol Care Kit, because I already have the Knife Care Kit. And now I don't use it that often, because I really I don't shine up my knives very often. But I mean, I've used it a ton before, and I've got videos, really old videos of me using it. So maybe I have to bust out the Glock and do a little review on this too. I'm sure it's gonna work just as amazing as the Knife Care Kit did or does. So yeah, we'll definitely do a review on this for sure. But I can tell you right now, that review is gonna have very awesome remarks, because Rusty's Rags is the shit. Everybody go check him out, or go check out Krista Blade. But I mean, I'm sure anybody that subbed to me has already subbed to her. But I'll put a link to Rusty's Rags down below as well, because this is some awesome stuff, especially for knives. I say that just because I have experience with it. But you get this. Well, here, let me go ahead and just bust it out. Hell with it. We'll show you what it comes with. It's I think it's like a sheepskin with like their wool or something here, and then it's impregnated with some special sauce, some silicone. I don't know really what to call it, to be honest. Well, this is the gun oil, but the other one's like a silicone-based like oil, and it's so crazy how shiny and like pretty it makes your stuff look. At least the knives. Now, like I said, I don't have any experience with the pistol yet, but yeah. And then it comes with the little chamois, sham. And then, like I said, it comes with the I think this is sheepskin, but I could be wrong. Oh no, duh, it says right here, merino sheepskin pad. Yeah, so just read this and just don't listen to my dumb ass, because apparently I don't know what I'm talking about. Really, we're gonna do this right now. We're not gonna focus right now. Really? Come on, man. Alright, well, we're not going to focus right now because my webcam's drunk. So, everybody, like I said, of course, I'll definitely do a review on this. Krista Blade, thank you very, very much. Rusty's Rags, always a pleasure. Everybody, take her easy.